Hey sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making aloe vera oil and make it as green as mine looks. So yes, what I have here is my aloe vera leaf. I actually have this in my backyard. I have the aloe vera plant in my backyard. So I just go over there to plant some whenever I need to make use of it for my hair, and I've seen the amazing benefits on aloe vera, whether as a gel or as an oil for your hair. So yeah, first thing I'm doing, I'm going to wash out those dirt, make sure that it's clean, well washed before starting my process. Alright guys, so after washing your aloe vera leaf, making sure that it's well washed and clean, we're now going to cut up our aloe vera into pieces like this. We're going to cut it bit by bit. So when you're done with the bit by bit process, I'm going to cut off the edges, the sides of the aloe vera with the pointy hooks or hikes. So yeah, we're going to cut that off. Basically soaking it for like a few minutes to get off that, yellow looking gel off it before starting our process for the oil. Now that we're done washing our aloe vera for the second time, we're now going to cut it into pieces. This way is actually easy to blend and fast also. So yeah, we're cutting our aloe vera into pieces. Okay, so after placing my aloe vera in my blender, I'm going to be adding in olive oil, which is a carrier oil. I hear people use grapeseed oil and other type of oils, essential oils, to make the base of their aloe vera, to use as their base for their aloe vera. One thing about making oils, whatever kind of oils you are making, always make sure you're using the carrier oil, because the carrier oil is what carries your essential oil. So aloe vera is an essential oil. So you want to use a carrier oil to make an essential oil. So yeah, this is what my aloe vera gel looks like after blending it smoothly. So now I'm going to transfer it into my stainless bowl. You're going to be placing this on fire. So it's either you have a pot or a pan or whatever you can place directly on a fire. So this can go directly on fire or on heat. So yes, this is the process I'm going to use. So yes, now my aloe vera is on heat, and as you can see, it's on low heat. You really need it to be on low heat because you don't want it to be burning under. So just make it go on low heat and keep stirring. Stir for as long as maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Just keep stirring on low heat to make sure that your oil and your aloe vera mix together to be able to form your aloe vera oil. Okay, so now I've turned off my gas, as you can see. So the foam, we're going to wait for the foam to calm down and we can see the oil on top of the aloe vera. So when the foam calms down, the oil is going to separate from the aloe vera. As you can slowly see, our foam is dying down and the oil is becoming more visible. So yes guys, this is it. Our aloe vera oil is floating on top. So now we all know what we need to do. We are going to have to filter this, but before filtering, we'll wait for it to cool down and then we go on and filter our aloe vera. So you want to get a container that is easy to use. When you filter your aloe vera oil into the container, you can easily get it out and place it on your hair or on your skin, whichever one is okay. So guys, something terrible happened while I was waiting for it to cool down. I tried to pick up my aloe vera. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened. My hand hit the bowl and I ended up spilling my oil, which is so painful, you guys, because I needed every bit of my oil. So you can imagine wasting that bit of oil for me. I wasn't having it, you guys. I just wasn't having it. Anyways, I went ahead to filter whatever that is left from what has poured out already. So, if you have a cloth or maybe your hairnet, or yeah, your wig cap, whatsoever works for you. This is what I have available, and this is what I'm going to be making use of. So yeah. Okay guys, so you can see the before and after. You see how small whatever that is left out of it is. Okay guys, so we are done filtering our oil. I then transferred it into this container, and as you can see, the oil is green in color, because I keep wondering how people make aloe vera. Aloe vera is obviously green, so how do you make aloe vera oil and your aloe vera oil turns out to be brown? Like, that is still so strange to me. So whenever I make this recipe, it makes me happy that my oil turns out to be green, regardless of whatever you're using as your base. Your whatever oil you're using as your base, your aloe vera oil is supposed to be green, not brown. Okay, so this is what my aloe vera oil looks like after we're done. This is what I had left. So now I'm going to put this into my hair. As you can see, I got my hair in cornrows. So yeah, I'm going to be applying my aloe vera into my hair for extreme hair growth. You want your hair to grow, you want your edges to grow, just do this, follow this routine, and baby, you're going to be seeing that length popping. So I'm placing this on the lines of the cornrow, smooth and gently, slowly massaging it into my hair, because y'all, I need to see that growth. Okay, and one thing about aloe vera, it makes your hair soft, it retains moisture in your hair, it helps to get rid of dandruff. It has so many benefits, and if you have a natural hair, then this is just one of the best oils that you can get for your natural hair. As you can see, I'm also applying it on my edges. My edges has grown so far these past few days that I've been trying out different things on my hair for hair growth. I'm also going to apply it to the roots of my hair, as you can see, because like I said, I want it to get to every part of my hair. I need that growth, honey. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have learned something. If you have used aloe vera before, let me know your experience with it. How has it been using aloe vera? Did you see any visible growth? Did you see any visible changes? Whatsoever it is, go to the comment section and I'll see you there. Bye.